We have a Prime Minister Modi coming, we have Home Minister coming.
See, generally, Prime Minister Narendra Modi basically doesn't do any work as a Prime Minister. He always a master campaigner for the BJP. In 2014 till now, the 9 years, if you see how many days Prime Minister campaign, how many days Prime Minister came to Parliament and addressed the issue, how many times Prime Minister sat in Prime Minister office and did some work. If he could have been done a Prime Minister job, country would not be in this much mess. So second thing, actually, the Congress literally put the BJP in Karnataka in a back foot for two reasons. The Karnataka BJP runs the worst corrupt government probably in the world. Only competition between now Narendra Modi and Bommai, who actually run the best or the worst corrupt government in this country. Yeah, I think still I believe Narendra Modi, but when come to Karnataka, actually nobody can beat Mr. Bommai. On the other side, Congress came with a very positive campaign. We came with 5 guarantees. We seriously concerned about the people, peace in the society, development in the society. We are taking care of women's safety and students, all section of the society. So it's completely a contrast campaign between BJP and Congress.